In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life with Notion and Calendar. Let's dive into creating a seamless system where your tasks, projects, and schedules all come together harmoniously. To begin, you'll want to open your Notion app. Notion serves as a robust platform that allows you to build customized workspaces tailored to your needs. Once you're in, we're going to start by creating a new project. Think of this project as your main container for everything related to organization, whether it's personal tasks, work commitments, or any ongoing projects you have. When you click on the Create a New Project button, Notion gives you a clean slate to transform ideas into manageable tasks. Next, let's step up our organization game by setting up a Notion Home dashboard. This will serve as the command center for your daily activities. On this dashboard, you can add various blocks such as tasks, notes, upcoming events, and much more. The idea here is to collect all your relevant information in one easily accessible place. This approach ensures you can see everything you need at a glance, helping reduce overwhelm and boosting productivity. Now, it's important to organize the types of information you frequently deal with. Creating separate databases within Notion for tasks, projects, or even your personal journaling can streamline how you manage different areas of your life. This separation allows for more specific entries and detailed tracking without cluttering your main dashboard view. For instance, you might have a database for weekly tasks, financial tracking, or even meal planning. Once your Notion setup is underway, it's time to turn our attention to your schedule. Open Google Calendar, which is an excellent tool for managing time more effectively. Within Google Calendar, you'll need to locate your public calendar URL. This is found in your calendar settings, and it enables you to share your schedule externally. Even if you don't plan on making the calendar public, this URL is handy for integration purposes. The final step is perhaps the most exciting. You'll take that public URL and embed it directly into your Notion dashboard. This is done by navigating back to your Notion workspace, choosing the appropriate block on your dashboard, and embedding the link. Doing so integrates your calendar directly with your dashboard, giving you real-time updates on your upcoming events and meetings right alongside your tasks and projects in Notion. This integration not only saves time, but also improves efficiency, as you won't have to switch between apps constantly to stay on top of your schedule. There you have it, a comprehensive system for organizing your life with Notion and Calendar. By following these steps, you've set up a versatile and synchronized productivity environment where all facets of your day are within reach.